Five-Axis Industries and sister company Ellstrom Racing trace their roots back to 1960 as part of the Ellstrom Manufacturing Company. Started by Sven Ellstrom Sr., the company established a legacy of innovation, performance, and a winning attitude that is apparent today. Ellstrom Racing came on scene in the early 90s to dominate the highly competitive, high-risk sport of unlimited hydroplane racing. These 30-foot powerboats weighing over 7,000 pounds are more like airplanes than boats. Most of the time, the propeller is the only part of the boat that is in the water. As with everything the Ellstroms do, they came to compete and win they did. Today, Ellstrom Racing is the winningest team ever in the unlimited hydroplane class, setting single-lap speed records yet to be broken at every race venue on the circuit. Ellstrom Racing clocked the fastest single-lap speed average ever recorded during a race in Nashville, topping 171 miles per hour with straightaway speeds over 200 miles per hour. When it came to raising the bar on the status quo in unlimited hydroplanes, Ellstrom Racing knew they needed to innovate and improve the design and manufacturing of high-quality components that stand up to the demands of the sport. So, they started Five-Axis Industries, which in the beginning was essentially a hobby shop capable of making difficult-to-manufacture parts from hard metals, including titanium and stainless alloys. It was not long before Five-Axis started making specialty performance parts for other teams, and today they build props for most of the unlimited hydroplanes racing. Five-Axis cut their teeth in the high-performance marine industry, producing hard-to-manufacture parts, and gained a reputation as the ones that can get it done when no one else can. This propelled them into producing parts for other demanding applications like aerospace, producing large structure parts, as well as high-performance components, including propellers, blowers, gas turbine engine parts, thrust cones for rockets, and air turbine assemblies. Designers, manufacturing engineers, and machinists at Five-Axis Industries have been using Mastercam exclusively to program parts for machining since 1982, well before Five-Axis emerged from Ellstrom Manufacturing. Most of their design work, especially high-performance engine components, is also done using Mastercam and its integration with SolidWorks. They are capable of working with other CAD formats such as CATIA, Siemens NX, PTC Creo, and others as well. Five-Axis realizes real digital continuity in the design-build process by integrating computer-aided inspection, or CAI, to the mix. This ensures preservation of a digital twin and feeds downstream applications. Computer-aided inspection is provided by Verisurf Software. Being model-based and built on top of the Mastercam platform, Verisurf allows the team at Five-Axis Industries to open and work with any CAD file, including intelligent models with associative GD&T to support the development of automated inspection plans. The net result is efficient quality verification regardless of CMM type, capable of producing first article inspections within minutes. The Verisurf Device Interface, or VDI, lets operators choose from any of their fixed or portable CMMs, including Five-Axis machines, to conduct quality inspections, reverse engineering, tool building, or assembly guidance using the Verisurf software. Verisurf software serves as a common measurement and inspection platform across Five-Axis Industries' manufacturing enterprise. The entire design build team is trained to use Verisurf, which increases productivity, reduces bottlenecks, standardizes reporting, and lowers overall software and training costs. Regardless of measurement hardware device, everyone uses the same software. Five-Axis is in their name, so it should not be a surprise to know the company has been using Five-Axis machining capabilities for more than 20 years. Machining complex shapes and features, such as propellers and other helical-shaped parts, are easier and more accurately machined using Five-Axis technology. Five-Axis machines are also easier to set up with fewer clamp changes. In short, Five-Axis capabilities are all about moving the part less and articulating the machine to move around the part. We were an early adopter of Five-Axis machining, said Ellstrom. Finally, CMMs have caught up and we can realize the same productivity gains in measurement and inspection as we have in Five-Axis machining for years. Five-Axis workflow from machining through quality verification just makes common sense, reducing overall cycle time for each process by as much as 50%. Verisurf software increases overall measurement and inspection productivity from CMM plan creation through execution, with the unique ability to create a single inspection plan that can be run on any measurement device across the manufacturing enterprise, including Five-Axis CMMs. The team at 5-Axis Industries currently use the Renishaw PH20 5-Axis touch trigger probe and are considering upgrading their primary CMM to the Renishaw REVO 5-Axis scanning probe, which will enable them to perform continuous scanning of complex surfaces for enhanced inspection and reverse engineering purposes. Verisurf Software seamlessly supports the entire line of Renishaw probe heads, including the PH20 5-Axis touch trigger probe and the REVO 5-Axis continuous contact scanning probe. In addition to the 6 standard Renishaw scan patterns, Verisurf has developed 3 exclusive scan patterns to easily scan special features like pockets, curves, and spirals. Change is the only constant in performance manufacturing. In recent years, 5-Axis has grown to include more high-stress applications associated with aerospace and spaceflight in particular. In addition, Ellstrom Racing has expanded from the water to the desert, building and racing modified pro-turbo UTVs in one of nature's harshest environments. As you may have guessed, Ellstrom Racing is consistently among the top finishers. Though the business has expanded and shifted a bit, the design and build process has remained constant. The company is dedicated to Verisurf and a model-based environment that maintains digital continuity from beginning to end, with the CAD model serving as the design, manufacturing, and quality inspection authority. While Mastercam is our preferred CAD/CAM platform, Verisurf Software closes the digital loop and verifies every part we build, said Eric Ellstrom. For us, Verisurf is the final say on quality.